and we're sitting here parked. Okay, it's green, it's green, it's green. Wednesday morning, starting out with the Timmy's coffee. Gotta love it. Lots going on today. I got the truck going out on rental and the guys are starting a new job. So we got lots of iron out of the yard moving today. That is awesome. We have a new guy starting with us today. New guy's name is Jesse. So let's go down there, start the guys, start digging a new house, make somebody's dream home come true, baby. That's what it's all about. Yay! All the boys, what's going on? Corey, welcome back.
Oh, it's great to be back here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, thanks for bringing me back.
Hey, no problem. All right, just made it here to the pit. I got Jesse here with me. We just got loaded with some granular B. We're headed to the job site because we cut down. We were too low in one spot. We're gonna get scaled, weighed up, and then head out there.
He's on the phone.
All right, it's snowing really good. There's Al. Al's flinging shit. And then Jesse's going to dump the load that we just got and make her happen. Load's dumped. I gotta go to run to a meeting. Al's gonna continue taking out some more material, some more of the organics that was left here, and we're gonna head out. Okay, so we didn't get 40 centimeters of snow. It's still snowing pretty good. We're just leaving the house here now. Let's go fire up the skid steer and go clean things up and move this disgusting, nasty, white, but beautiful and lovely stuff. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. All right, it's not as quiet as last time, but still the same thing. Middle of Carpenter March, and we're sitting here parked, and the snow's just coming. Okay, it's green. Did you guys read that? I tried to write subscribe, but I don't know how to write. So just do that then. Just make sure you subscribe. Whoa. Okay, update on the storm. It's actually picked up quite a bit. The wind really picked up and the amount of snow just really picked up. You might be thinking it's a car brush or it's a truck brush. No, it's a skid steer brush. We're gonna clean up this back gate. This has been the most wet, slushy, heavy stuff. The frost is coming out of the ground because it's so mild, so you're ripping up gravel, so you're trying to stay afloat, but then you sink down half the time and you dip and oh man, it's just... All right, this is what happens whenever you're too lazy to shovel because it's really hard and crusty now because it all froze and you're lazy, and this is what you do. All right, today's Friday. I almost said Monday, and like it's literally the opposite of Monday today. Guys are all coming in. We're gonna go back down to that job. It's super, super cold today. It's about -20, so we're gonna check out and hopefully The ground isn't too frozen, but we threw down insulated tarps at the end of the day after that dig.
So we gotta try to taste it. The only thing I can do is perfect clamp it.
All right, these guys are gonna work on water, pass the inspection, and then they're gonna let me know I need to get in the triaxle, haul some B gravel, so that's when I'll see you guys next, when we're hauling B gravel. Whoa, all right, awesome. Good start to the morning, getting things done. We're hopping in the Star. We got a truck down, B gravel like I said before, air dryer's frozen once again. I don't even want to talk about it. Grind it, grind it, grind it. Yeah, baby.
Like I'm hypnotized. I don't know what I should make of it. Read between the lines.
So I'm just driving down here on the road to the job site, and I wanted to point out something that, you know, where we do construction and where my business is situated, we do a lot of rural work on roads like this. So as you guys can see, this road is like an ice road. I mean, it's a dirt road that's completely drifted in snow. There's drifts that I'm plowing through, and that's just one aspect to, you know, being out in rural areas doing construction that some people don't really get to know if they're just in the city doing construction. Curious to know any drivers out there or any construction workers that work in rural areas on roads that are less than ideal. I didn't piss off the loader operator this time. I'm in his good books again. Let's rock! Just like that, keys are in hand. We're all wrapped up now, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch because it's about 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten since last night and I'm starving. And I'm still on this all meat diet. It's day 17. I know a lot of you guys don't give a shit about that, but I've been doing the carnivore diet. Feel great. Oh yeah, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll put the thing right here, but you'll know that Instagram saw it first. I'm back in a Tundra now. Okay, let's get some conversation sparked in the comments. What would you guys rather drive? And I know the answers already from everybody, but would you rather drive the Chev, Silverado, or Toyota Tundra? I know there's some love for the Toyotas out there, but let me know what you guys want to drive. Let's go get something to eat. Let's rock. Okay, it's currently the next day, Saturday. I was going back through the footage and I was like, hey, what the heck? I didn't film anything else. So that was pretty much how that day ended. The only thing that wrapped up at the job that was maybe a little bit different that didn't get shown was just the insulated tarp thrown over top of it. Compaction test passed, so we're moving out of that job and we're moving to a hydro trench dig. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know. We're moving to a hydro trench dig on Monday. From there, then we have some septic work, but this is special. I'm gonna put a really quick blurb right here. The guy that's doing it just wants to do a really good job, so he's taking more time doing things totally properly, totally right. But as you guys might have caught from that little blip, it is going to look unfriggin' believable. I'm so happy that we got that done. So thank you for watching this video. I'm really happy, and thank you to all the new subscribers, everybody that is subscribing. Like I say all the time, it's not about, you know, charging you guys or getting you guys to buy stuff. I just love the support from people that are subscribing and liking the video and just commenting down below. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the True Patriots channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, dirty hands, clean money. Why dirty hands, clean money? Well, this week the boys got their hands dirty and we're making that clean money. Everything's back in the swing of things. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, dirty hands, clean money. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. And just have a freaking awesome Saturday, dudes.